Tiny shoes on a wooden floor, a quiet room with an open door. A child stands still in the morning light, hands a little shaky but the heart feels bright. The teacher smiles with a gentle tone, showing the steps one by one alone. A soft beginning meant to guide the way, as dreams take shape in small ballet. First steps in the dance where new hopes rise, learning the rhythm with wide open eyes. Starting slow with a tender pace, finding courage in the simple space. Guided gently through each move they try, as the music lifts them toward the sky. Careful turns and patient grace, the child learns trust in the sacred place. Each movement builds with every day, shaping skill from curious play. The future glimmers in each small stride, a path unfolding from deep inside. Respect for guidance lights the way, as innocence grows wings today. First steps in the dance where new hopes rise, learning the rhythm with wide open eyes. Starting slow with a tender pace, finding courage in the simple space. Guided gently through each move they try, as the music lifts them toward the sky. Every journey starts with a single gentle